How to edit faster on PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit faster on PC, easy and fast in today's video. So all what you have to do is go to your browser and then search for vid.io. So I'm gonna refresh the page. As you can see, now all what you have to do is sign up to create account, and then as you can see you will be able to upload a video. You can try a sample right here. Now as you can see, this is the fastest way to edit a video online. So I think the sample is not working, so I'm gonna repeat vid.io. as you can see. Okay, let's click and wait a few seconds. Now right here, this is just a sample. Now right here you can edit the text. For example, let's say finance here. It's very easy, as you can see, to edit, and everything can be changed. And after you finish editing the video, you can also draw from here. You can draw on the screen like this, as you can see. Very easy. So yeah, and you have also many options right here: the transitions, the text, the subtitles, and the audio. Now after you finish, click export and then click remove watermark if you want, or you can leave it and click export video, and here you can also choose the quality. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.